follow-up to my short video about this Seiko memo diary. This one I'm going to attempt to see if I can get this to work. So it's a nice watch from the 1980s and got a few buttons on the front there, but most of the buttons are on this separate control. A little bit like a calculator really. Nice little bit of wording here saying transmission circuit. And I guess it just pops in like that. Uses ones and zeros, no doubt, to load up information from here into the watch. And don't really know much more about it. All I know is there's batteries involved and they look flat, don't they? So let's start by see if I can take the watch apart first. I don't like doing these things because these things ping, don't they? Ping everywhere. Okay, that looks better. It just seems to be wrapped around. I hope I can just take this off and leave this one on. I think I can. Short battery and position by tweezers after replacing the battery. So it's talking about shorting out a couple of areas on here, which is quite a standard procedure for this sort of age of watch. Quite small. See why the other one might have got lost. Okay. It's interesting this because the watch seems to have this battery, but to me it doesn't look big enough, does it? Is that the right spec? The other interesting thing, there looks to be inside of here a rubber seal which kind of goes inside. I don't think that would offer any protection at all. And there's the microprocessor under there. Okay, that battery's flat. I've done the taste test on your tongue. The CR2025. I've got some here. It looks like I've got a Energizer 2025 plus a 2032. I wonder if that one might fit better. So this one would go in. Yeah, I suppose that's quite flush. This one's a little bit protruding. But whatever, nothing's showing up on the screen with this still fit. Ooh, look! We got something. I think I might go with that actually. Should I go for the slightly bigger one? Hopefully that'll hold while I take a look. Actually, should we take this out of here? And it looks like it's been worked on before. The reason why I'm saying that is look at this here. A little bit of tin enabling these to be pressed. I wonder if there's this in here. Not sure. There's nothing coming up at all on here. Maybe it needs that reset. It seemed to come up with something and then it went off again. Oh, that seems to move. I didn't realise that moved. That's not flush. Maybe that's a problem. Oh yeah. Probably needs a real good clean up. The only way forward is to take it really apart. This is kind of not in place, moving around. I've already started taking out the screws, one of them anyway. Good. Good. The problem with this is it looks like there's only one kind of point on there for that to go on. Fingerprints under there. There's nothing coming off. It wouldn't hurt just to go over all of this. This is where your gold is, isn't it? Oh, it's dirty this end. Am I just rubbing off the contact? And a bit of moisture in here, so just do that. And if I should try gluing this, I don't need very much. That's probably enough. I'll leave that for a little bit. See if I can get this together then. Kind of see it's doing something, but I think it needs pressure applied more where those screws went in. That's looking not too bad, just this bottom part. My new screwdrivers have arrived. Some really little ones here. Hopefully I can tighten these up better. That's the plan anyway. With new screwdrivers, you often need new glasses. Hey, that seems to have done the trick. Excellent. It just shows you those screws have to be pretty tight. I decided to go into standby or something. Oh, I've never seen any response from pressing these buttons. This one seems to have spring. This one, no. This one, no. This one, no. So this one seems to have got its spring still, but the other three don't. This doesn't seem to be communicating at all with it. I guess it probably needs to be in the right mode on here first for that to work. I don't have any former experience of this ever kind of working, so it's a shame, but on the positive side, the display's okay. I guess it might serve a purpose to somebody. So I think what I'm going to do is put this onto eBay for someone who's probably more of a collector or fanatic who can sort out these kind of watches. But the main thing, display seems to be fine. But absolutely no sort of response, is there? Thank you. Thanks for watching. And like and subscribe, and I will make more videos very soon. Bye for now.